Now, we have heard it before. Success is a journey. It's not a destination. And I think we have to become aware of how we're progressing along that journey. We have to periodically take stock of how we're doing and what we need to do to get to the next level. Now, there are some people who, I believe, succumb to this pitfall. They set a goal, they achieve it, and then they kind of develop this sense of invincibility. It's like, yes, I have achieved the goal. Woohoo! I don't have to work anymore. It's done. And look, I'm not for a minute suggesting that you should not celebrate your successes. You should work hard and play hard. I believe that. Does anybody else here believe that? All right. So it looks like I'm in good company. But I challenge you, never get to the top of the mountain and start resting on your laurels. Remember, pushers, they go as far as they can see, and then they get there, they go, wow, there's some more. I can go after it, right? So understand that when you become complacent, you're inviting failure. Complacency breeds failure. So I challenge you never to become or allow yourself to become a victim of your own success.